Welcome back everybody, this is Ahmed here over Dash Trucks, Colorado Spring location. Today I'm going to do another walk around for another vehicle we have here in our lot. It's a GMC Savana 2014, 4500. This truck has 155,000 miles, 876, and with the 14-foot box truck or box attached to this one, so you can use it for your business or whatever, it has a repainted box and also repainted chassis underneath. That means it's also, for anti-rust. We usually recon our trucks, so usually we'll have it uh, reconditioned. You can see here the rear tire are in good condition, as you see. This truck it's a gasoline one, so it's not a diesel. Has a flex fuel too. Very good energy saving, and it's really powerful GMC engine. Actually, this truck has a 6.0 V8 GM engine, as I stated, but with the flex fuel. Moving back here to the rear side, if you see, everything is in great condition. This one comes with a ramp as well, so loading and unloading is going to be easier. And his tow hitch, the cables there. It has a translucent roof. It's like, can get the light in, and has also a switch here where you can turn on the light, probably because the power is already off. Well, it's not turning on, but anyway, this is really useful during night time. It has a small door there for the cargo door from the driver's side, and has three um, planks, tie down planks on each side. Three over here and three over here. This is pretty good, and also two boards. Yeah, let's move on to the other side. At this truck, the GVWR in this vehicle is 14,200, non-CDL, as you all know. And taking another look here on the other side for the tires, it's pretty good condition, as we stated. And the box is also looking nice. All right, let me hop in, and then we can talk about the interior, and then we go forward with the engine as well. Show you the engine. All right, thank you guys. All right, here's a overall view of the interior. Let's turn this on. Make it do its cycle and wait for it. That's 155, 876 miles. Just turn this truck on. All right, everything is clear there. No issues on the dash. All right, so basically this is the towing tool, or you can hook up a trailer behind this strong engine, as we stated. And here's the radio, and then 12 volts. You have two of them, one on each side, like manual windows there. And then here you have the control for the lights, and then here's the door to the cargo area. This is slide door. You just slide it open, and you can access the the cargo. And that's another look for the rear side over there for the cargo area. All right, let's take a look at the engine. Here's the engine for this Savana. As we said, it's like 6.0, it's a V8 engine, puts fuel, and then it has 6-speed transmission. And here's the front, you can hear the. Feel free to drop by if you are interested in test drive this box truck. or give us a call if you have any other question. I will add all the information for our location and the direct phone number in the description under this video. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day, everyone.